Hey everyone, welcome back to City Showdown, the ultimate travel face-off. I'm your host, Ken Lord. In this exciting series, we're exploring 16 incredible travel destinations across the United States. We've got 14 cities that represent this season's NFL playoff teams, and 2 wildcard cities that are sure to spice things up. Who will win this epic City Showdown? Let's break it down category by category. First up, attractions and landmarks. Cleveland is home to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, the Cleveland Museum of Art, and that historic West Side Market. That earns Cleveland a strong 15 out of 20 points. Houston counters with the Space Center of Houston, the bustling Museum District, and the Houston Zoo. Impressive, right? Houston grabs a 16 out of 20 in this round. Next, let's talk about food and cuisine. Cleveland boasts a burgeoning food scene with famous Polish and Hungarian dishes, not to mention the iconic corned beef. Yum! They score 14 out of 20. But Houston's not backing down, known for its mouth-watering BBQ Tex-Mex and the diverse food scene. It scores a delicious 17 out of 20. Moving on to cultural and recreational activities, Cleveland offers the Cleveland Orchestra and Playhouse Square, scoring 12 out of 15 points. Houston, with its cultural festivals and dynamic theater scene, scores of 13 out of 15. Affordability's next. Cleveland, being more budget-friendly, scores 13 out of 15. Houston, slightly pricier, takes 11 out of 15. And accessibility of transportation, Cleveland's decent public system, scores a 7 out of 10. Houston, with its traffic congestion, scores a 6 out of 10. For local atmosphere, Cleveland's friendly Midwest vibe earns it an 8 out of 10. Houston's diversity and energy gives it a 9 out of 10. Finally, the weather. Cleveland's harsh winters give it a 5 out of 10. Houston's milder climate earns it a 7 out of 10. And total scores are in. Cleveland racks up 74 out of 100 points, but Houston takes the lead with 79. What do you think? Did Houston deserve the win, or should Cleveland have scored higher? Sound off in the comments, and don't forget to like, follow, and share for more city battles.